When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Ooh. It's shortly after 6 AM. I'm up in Inveraray, in the Highlands of Scotland. That is Inveraray Castle, which is very, very cool. But wait until you see the town. Oh, my legs have not woken up yet. I'll tell you quickly what I'm doing in Scotland. I'm here for the next 10 days, 9 days. 10 days, no, one day. I'm quite tired. I'm up here helping to film a documentary about a 1,000-mile hand cycle attempt. More in the link in the description, I'll explain it. This is my first time up here in the Highlands of Scotland. My first time actually in Inveraray. Probably pronouncing that completely wrong. I know nothing about the place, so you're just gonna discover it as I see it this morning. I've got 15 minutes of more running I can do. All I can tell you is it's coastal. It's in the Highlands of Scotland, up at the top of Loch Fyne. Oh, we're doing 1,000 miles. Every day we're traveling 100 miles to somewhere else, so forgive me for not knowing the geography, but well, nothing to tell you, it has a really amazing bridge on the way in. It has a castle, and the town is stunning. There's the Inveraray Inn. That's where we've been staying. Very nice. The whole town is these white buildings with dark roofs. It's all very, very uniform. It's like a little Scottish Disneyland, and it sits right in the middle of the loch with all these mountains and hills in the background. There's an interesting boat over here. There we go. Harbour boat is very nice. I mean, look at that view. You just get the reflection of the mountains in the background, and there's a tower right up here. I think this is the main street. You can see all the buildings are exactly the same colour and style. I've got Sweet Memories, pharmacy, an apocalypse shop, fine malts, Campbell coffee, brambles of Inveraray, the George Hotel. I'm assuming that is some kind of town hall, maybe. Oh, I really need to do these when I've woken up more. Oh, there's a jail. Family butcher. That seems harsh. What family deserves that? Boom boom. Inveraray. Which one is it? This place is beautiful. And that would appear to be me out the other side already. What's up in here? I think that's somebody's garden. Fisher Row. Look at that view. I don't want to shout and wake up all the Highlanders because I've heard they all run around with claymores in their house. But apparently there's only one. Can be only one. Where does this go? Ooh. This is kind of interesting and very unique. There's like a long road, runs the full length all the way through the town. It seems to be where all their parking is. It's like all your nice houses and all the cars are kept separate, and they're all down here. There's just a bolt straight road down that direction. Oh, what's this? Churchyard. Wow. Whoa. That is a very impressive red brick, red sandstone building. Wow. It's a tall bell tower built in the style of I don't know what. It's a World War I memorial. Look at that view. This has been a very short, whispered running tour of Inveraray. If you like this video, feel free to check out more videos on the channel. And ooh, a bird. You may check out the one I made about what this trip is actually about. You could always, if you want to, subscribe. I'm so tired. I'm genuinely more enthusiastic than this usually in videos, but it's 6 a.m. Right, I'm gonna go in, get breakfast. We're gonna go start the day, but hope you enjoyed this little tour around Inveraray, and yeah, I will definitely be back.